That's it in first. So now my sprocket's turning. Back up into neutral. Into second. So this is turning again. And what's happened is the selector forks have moved side to side and meshed different gears. And those little teeth, those little tangs that we were talking about, have slotted themselves into other gears and are driving them. So that's second, third, fourth, fifth. What's quite interesting actually is how much more difficult it gets to turn this when it gets up to fifth, because obviously your fifth gear is your high speed gear.